Good morning, student. How are you? I hope that you will be fine. I was explaining electrolysis. Now, in electrolysis chapter, next topic is electrolysis of aqueous copper second sulfate. See that I have made here setup of. You know that this is electrolytic cell. Electrolytic cell. Both are electrode, means what this electrode also made of the copper. This electrode both are copper, means electrode we are using copper, and this is electrolysis of copper sulfate. In this case, this copper act as a active electrode, active electrode, active electrode. Battery, bulb. See that current is 3 ampere current. Two questions is there. First, what happens if the electrode will be anode? Second question, show the electrolysis of copper sulfate, aqueous copper sulfate. Write electrolytic reaction. Write the name of the product, cathode and anode. What ions are formed? What explain the oxidizing agent and the reducing agent? A lot of question you can make on that. See that when we switch on, this is electrolyte is aqueous copper sulfate. You know that ionic compound is a good electrolyte either in molten state or in aqueous solution form. That this is aqueous solution form of the copper second sulfate. This is anode, positive terminal. This is cathode connected with the negative terminal. You know the definition of cathode and anode. Now see that what happens when the electrolytic reaction, means electrolysis starts. First things consider the electrolysis of copper sulfate in aqueous solution form start. It gives electric current. Current is 3 ampere. Electric current. It forms Cu plus 2 ion and OH and SO4 ion. SO4 ion. Since this is a solution, electrolyte, aqueous solution, so electrolysis of water also takes place, and it's formed H plus and OH minus. See that 4 ions are formed: copper ion, sulfate ion, H plus ion, OH minus ion. On the basis of electrochemical series, migration which ion will discharge at cathode, means at cathode means negative terminal. The electrons which are connected to negative terminal of the battery known as cathode. See, Cu plus 2 gain 2 electrons and form Cu, copper metal. Gaining of electron means this reaction is a reduction reaction, and this Cu plus 2 is oxidizing agent. The reaction is reduction reaction and Cu plus 2 is oxidizing agent. What are product at cathode? Copper. Now at anode, see that since anode is made of copper, pure copper, anode is also made of the copper, then this copper lose electron and forms Cu plus 2. And this Cu plus 2 again migrate toward cathode. Means what will be product at anode? Product at anode will be nil. No product form at anode. Why? Because in this case, copper is an active electrode. It loses the electron and forms Cu plus 2 ion. And this Cu plus 2 ion from this electrolyte also Cu plus 2 ion, and from electrode also Cu plus 2 ion migrate toward cathode. So product at cathode, product at anode will be nil. Suppose that what happens if we take here anode electrode like graphite. If we take graphite anode electrode other than copper, other than this is over. So what is your question? What are electrode? Copper is electrode, both electrolytic reaction. What ions are formed? 2 positive and 2 negative ions. Write the reaction taking place at cathode. That reaction, this reaction is called reduction reaction. This one will be oxidizing agent. This reaction is oxidation reaction, and that will be reducing agent. What are product at cathode? Product at cathode is copper metal. At anode will be nil. No product at anode. What happens if another electrode we are taking? If another electrode, the same reaction will be there. In other electrodes like graphite and carbon, same reaction will be there. But product at anode will be if change the electrode. Suppose graphite, here also graphite or carbon. Then product at anode will be on the basis of electrochemical series, hydrogen ion migrate that side. 4 OH minus lose 4 electron and form water and oxygen. Then product at anode will be oxygen. Okay. So this is out of portion, but only this electrolysis of hydrogen copper sulfate, that is in your portion. Now electroplating. What do you mean by electroplating? Next topic is that the process of depositing a thin layer of superior metal over the surface of inferior metal by the process of electrolysis known as electroplating. What I say? The process of depositing a thin layer of superior metal over the surface of inferior metal by the process of electrolysis known as electroplating. In your book, the electroplating of nickel given and silver given. See, electroplating. Electroplating. What is the process of depositing a thin layer of a superior metal over the surface of inferior metal by the process of electrolysis known as electroplating. See, what is the reason for electroplating? First reason is that to prevent the metal from the rusting or corrosion. What is corrosion? The slow destruction of the metal in presence of impurities is known as corrosion. Okay, rusting used for only iron. Now, second case is that to give special appearance or look to the metal. Two reasons for the electroplating. First one, to prevent the metal from the rusting or corrosion. Second, to give special appearance to the metal. Okay. See, I am going to explain the electroplating of seizure with nickel. All the setup is like that way. This is a nickel rod you take. Remember that the material which used for electroplating always kept at anode, means positive terminal. The material which is going to be electroplate, like suppose seizure, that should be always kept at cathode. This is a nickel, and electrolyte whatever electrolyte that should be also of the same metal, nickel sulfate. Nickel sulfate. Now see that reaction, electrolytic reaction, electroplating with nickel. Electroplating with nickel. The electrolytic reaction, nickel is give Mi plus 2 and SO4 minus 2. See, same reaction. Positive charge ion migrate toward the negative terminal. Means nickel act cathode, nickel gain electron and form nickel metal which deposited at cathode. Means on this figure. Now at anode, since anode is also made of the nickel, just I say that the material which used for electroplating, that should be kept at anode. The material which are going to be electroplate, that you connect with the cathode. See that anode is also made of the nickel. This nickel lose electron and form what? Nickel ion. This nickel ion again migrate toward the cathode. So here the role of the bulb in this connection, if you connecting that one, ammeter, battery, here bulb, the role of the bulb is, it indicates that your reaction is going on. If not going, it means either your anode is over or your electrolyte is over. Now remember this. Similarly, in case of silver, electroplating with silver Ag, same setup. You have to take the anode as a silver, electrolyte as a silver argon ferrocyanide, sodium silver cyanide or sodium argon ferrocyanide as an electrolyte. Either spoon, scissor, anything, number of the article you can connect here with cathode. Reaction will be also same. See that we are not taking silver nitrate because sodium argon ferrocyanide is a complex salt. One simple ion is a complex ion, easily dissociating into the ion and percentage is maximum. So we are taking this one, sodium argon ferrocyanide. Electrolysis, it gives sodium ion, silver ion and 2Cl minus. See reaction, same reaction will take place. Reaction will be reaction like that at cathode, silver on the basis of electrochemical system. Silver gain electron and form silver metal. This silver metal from the solution Ag plus migrate toward the spoon or the silver. Now see that your anode is also made of silver. Anode is also made of silver. Then at anode silver lose the electron and form what? Ag plus, and this Ag plus again migrate to the cathode. Means from here it is also discharged at cathode there. So like that way you can electroplate. Only two are given in your book with the nickel and silver. Afterward, what is electro refining given? Refining is purification. Electro means with electrolysis. The process of purification of metal in presence of electric current or with the help of electrolysis, known as electro-refining. Here given electro-refining of the with copper, but electro-refining, this term I will explain in the next chapter, metallurgy. In metallurgy chapter I will explain. After that, exercise question given, and many times I request that you write the answer of the question which are in which question are in board question only. You give the answer of the board question only. Mostly 2019 means from 15 to 19, 4 years question you can try to solve on your copy. And unit test paper, from that you will get the give region, name the following, observation, color changing, that you have to give. Okay, from that unit test paper you are going to also prepare your periodic table. Arrange this element metal, increasing order of ionization potential, decreasing order of electron affinity. So unit test paper only give the region you write on the copy, other you can do here with the pencil. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.